Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to fix the screen recorder no sound problem on your Vivo phones. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to fix the screen recorder no sound problem on your Vivo or FunTouch mobile phone. For an example, we just going to record this. So we just recording here, but the sound or the microphone sound or the gaming sound is not recording here. You just need to do this so you can solve this problem. You can fix this problem. So first of all, you just need to long press on the screen recorder app. So we can go inside the setting option, and here you have this option called record sound. So actually it's actually on the none option. We just need to turn this to system audio and microphone sound. So this will allows you to record both the system sound and microphone sound. This is the way. If it is on none, you can't record any sound. So this is the best way that you can fix this on your screen recording option on your Vivo or FunTouch mobile phone. You just need to long press it, go to the setting, just change the record sound option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.